Hey guys, so I just pulled up to my LaserAway appointment. I'm going to be doing the CoolSculpting today, so I'm really excited to see how it all turns out. I've never done it before, but I guess we'll see. I took pictures for you guys today of the first day, beginning day before treatment. I think they said that it takes like 2 months for you to actually see a difference, but I'll let you guys know all the details very soon. I am going to head in. My appointment's at 2:30. They said it could take a few hours, so I guess we'll see. I'll try to record as much as I possibly can. I get really shy, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. I'm gonna try to record like everything for you guys, okay? But yeah. I got really shy, so I didn't get to show you guys them actually putting all the lines on me, but that's what they do. These are my delicious rolls, so there you have it. Okay guys, we are at the 10-minute mark. I've been on this for 10 minutes. Originally it felt kind of hot. It felt like a kind of burning sensation, but now it feels nice and cold. It just feels like cold pressure. It's really not bad at all. I've been sitting here doing my nails because it's going to take about 2 hours or less, so you can do whatever. You can watch TV, you can read a book, you can eat. I'm just going to do my nails. So I will check in with you guys probably in another, maybe after the 25 minutes, because there's like 22 minutes left, I think, and then they go to the other side, and then they massage the fat, because once it cools down and freezes the fat, they massage it. So I will check in with you guys then. I'm just going to give you guys a little update. I'm now covered up with a towel or with a blanket. We are doing, so we did the lower left, then the lower right. Now we're doing the top left, and then we have to do the top right, and then this will all be done. So as you guys saw the little snippet I showed you, they use that weird machine to kind of like it hits the skin so that it's kind of like a way of massaging. I don't know if they still do like the actual hand massage. I guess we'll see after these ones are done, but that's how they kind of like massage it out. And so I did ask the nurse, and apparently it's like 3 to 4 months after treatment that you actually see like a dramatic change. So I'll have to update you guys in 3 to 4 months. But she showed me her before and after, and it actually looked really good. We kind of had similar bodies and like similar stomachs, so I'm really excited because hers looked really good, and I was like, ooh, is that what I'm gonna look like? Really good right now, but being in a bra and these very stylish pants. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of what it looks like once they just finished this side. You can kind of see there's still a little bit of the suction around it. But that's pretty much what it looks like right now. I guess we'll see what it looks like once it starts to go down and flush out, huh? And to show you guys something really quick, how much it bloats, like right here. It feels so weird. It feels like I have like liquid in there and it's all bloated. See that weird lump? That was the last section she did. So it's really bloated. Everything's very bloated. Hello my loves, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little check-in on my progress and kind of how I've been feeling since I got the procedure done. It's been about a week and like 2 days or so, but I was actually trying on bathing suits, and please excuse the mess because I'm packing for Hawaii, which is why I am trying on my bathing suits. But I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what I've been feeling since I got the procedure done, kind of show you guys a little bit of how I'm looking. Like I said, please excuse all of that in the background there, but I'm actually trying on my high-waisted bathing suit that I purchased for Hawaii. And this is what it looks like, and right now you can see this is kind of like my side view. I just ate lunch, so it's a little bit bloated, but it's still not as bloated as it normally is, and I'll actually show you guys the body so far. Okay, so like I said, I just wanted to talk a little bit of how it felt after the procedure, how it's been feeling this whole last week. So immediately after the procedure, I noticed that my belly kind of like swole up really big, and I show you guys the clip of that in the video, but my belly just kind of like got really swollen. It was really, I wouldn't really say sore because it was still kind of like numb and I couldn't really feel anything, but it did feel pretty odd. Like you're not supposed to wear like tight stuff after, and I did wear like a little bit of tighter pants when I went out that night, but I mean, it wasn't really too much pain. As the days progressed, I started to notice that there was a little bit of pain. So I would touch kind of like the lower or upper part here and then start touching like the lower parts of my belly, and it would be kind of like a bruising feeling. I started to also notice that I was getting really itchy, especially at the top. So I was really itchy. Like one day I was like, this is almost unbearable how itchy I am. So it was really annoying, but it only lasted one day, and it wasn't like all day long. It was just like randomly I would get really itchy. And I don't know if it just felt weird because I was numb. So even though I was like itching, I was numb. I couldn't really feel it. Or if it was just like that's how it's supposed to feel. Right now I'm still a little bit numb, kind of like on the lower part of the belly and like the middle. I'm still a little bit numb, but everything else seems to be getting feeling back, which is nice. When I sit, it doesn't hurt anymore. When I bend over, it doesn't hurt anymore. I did work out when I was in California last weekend, and it was totally fine. The feeling was really weird because sometimes I would just be sitting like in my driver's seat and I would feel the same kind of pain that you would normally feel if like you had a scab and it was like on to like the last little piece of skin and something hits it. You know, it's like that weird, like it hurts, but it's kind of like a sting. I don't know if you guys have ever felt that, but that's kind of like some of the pain that I was getting. It was like this weird stinging feeling. But if you look at the care for CoolSculpting, it does tell you that you will notice some itchiness, swelling, soreness, and just, you know, a little bit of discomfort. It's nothing out of the ordinary and nothing to like worry about. Just, you know, as long as like the discomfort isn't too long. I did talk to them and I asked, you know, like, is it supposed to last for 2 weeks, for a month? Like, you know, it kind of varies with person, and the numbness and some of the discomfort could last for a couple months, but it's totally up to the person. But like I said, my discomfort has pretty much gone away. The only thing that is kind of weird about it is that it still feels a little numb, but it's only been a week and a few days into it, and I don't really have discomfort anymore, so I do like that. It's not itchy anymore and it's not swollen. So I do want to actually mention this. I was extremely swollen a few days afterwards, and I went to go shopping because I was like, oh my god, I need clothes for Hawaii, and everything that I tried on was like so tight. I was like, I usually wear mediums, like why isn't this fitting? And I was like, oh, I'm just gonna buy it because I know that it's just because I'm swollen right now. And thank goodness after that I wore them this weekend, like a little skirt that I bought. I wore a little skirt and it was totally fine. It fit me just fine. I wasn't oozing out of it. So it was definitely because I was just a little swollen. So I can say that in just like the week and a few days that I have done the procedure, I've seen a big decrease in the swelling, which is nice. I'll be very excited to see like the final result. I'll keep you guys posted, and I will see you guys in a week. Okay, so that was pretty much my process. I'm sorry that I didn't get to film a whole bunch of it. It was a little bit hard just because I was really nervous, but we are in the 3.5 week mark now. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick little update on how the body's looking and I will hopefully have some pictures for you guys very soon of what the 1 month progress looks like, because I'll be taking those this weekend, but I at least wanted to kind of just show you guys kind of what it's looking like right now. So I am in a dress, so this is probably going to be just a little bit weird, but I'm going to show you guys kind of what it's looking like. So here it is, just high-waisted underwear. Here we are with the full view, and we'll do a side view. Here's side, and here's the other side. It's definitely not painful anymore, like to the touch. It's still a little bit numb in some areas, but they said that the numbing could last a few months. But if you can see, it's gone down a little bit. So that's pretty much how it looks after about 3.5 weeks. What do you guys think? Do you guys see a difference? Do you not see a difference? Let me know down below. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. According to the nurse that I talked to, it is going to take about 3 to 4 months to see a dramatic difference. So hopefully in the next few months I'll see a big difference. I am noticing though, and I do want to mention this, here on like my waist area where I normally would wear like my high-waisted pants and things like that, it does feel like it kind of shrunk up the size. I don't know, maybe my waist went down a little bit. We'll have to test that out. I'll have to go buy some new pants or something and test that out. But yeah, I feel like the waist feels a little bit smaller, and the way my high-waisted pants are fitting feel just a little bit better. So I did want to mention that in my little update here. But that's pretty much all I have to say about what it looks like. And like I said, I will try to update you guys in the coming months so you can see if there is a huge difference or not. And hopefully this kind of helped you guys see kind of how the process works, and then just gave you a little insight of how it felt. I will say that everybody there was super sweet. They were super nice. The girls at the front desk were awesome. Lily was great. They literally just kind of told me how the process was going to work and kind of how to take care of it and all of that, so that was super nice. Everybody just made me feel super comfortable there, which was huge, because I hate going to places where I feel extremely uncomfortable being there, especially if I go under the I'm an influencer thing. I always get super nervous and I feel awkward. I don't know why, but the ladies at LaserAway made me feel amazing and right at home, so that was great. I'm really excited to see what this is all going to look like in the coming months, but also I'm really excited to try out some of their other things. I was like, they have some really good deals on laser hair removal. I've been to other places before, and like I said, horror story, but they do it for pretty decent prices. But again, I think it really is just the entire environment, like being there, who's in the front desk, kind of how they're treating you. Everybody was just incredible, so I really liked that. So that's pretty much all about my experience there at LaserAway. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will definitely get back to you guys there. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you want to see my results, give me a huge thumbs up for an update. That would be great. Share this video with anybody who's looking into CoolSculpting. It can kind of give them a little gist of kind of how the process works, what it looks like, pain level, all of that good stuff. I hope that this video was informative for you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much.